Welcome to LuxorionX. If you are watching this, you aren't just looking for entertainment. You are looking for a vision. You are looking for the life that only the top 1% ever gets to experience. True luxury isn't about showing off. It's about the freedom to live life on your own terms without compromise. Pause. Look at these machines. They are more than just steel and carbon fiber. A Lamborghini, a Ferrari, or a Bugatti. These are the results of human obsession. When an engineer spends years perfecting a single engine note, it's not just science, it's art. When you step on the gas, you aren't just moving, you are announcing your arrival to the world. Each gear shift is a heartbeat of ambition. This is the reward for the sleepless nights and the relentless hustle that others will never understand. Success is a journey of thousands of miles, and it starts with the courage to drive into the unknown. Pause. But success isn't just about what you drive. It's about where you return to at the end of the day. Imagine a home that is a masterpiece of modern architecture. Huge floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the ocean, or a private villa tucked away in the quiet majesty of the mountains. Your home should be your sanctuary and your trophy. It's the place where your ideas are born and your legacy is built. From private infinity pools to marble-floored garages for your collection, this is the physical manifestation of your hard work. Architecture is the silent witness to your achievements. Pause. Most people spend their lives dreaming about this. They see the private jets, the diamond-encrusted watches, and the elite lifestyle, and they think it's luck. But you know better. Luck has nothing to do with it. It's about the mindset. While the world sleeps, the elite are working. While others are looking for excuses, the top 1% is looking for opportunities. Success is a lonely road, and it's meant to be. If it were easy, everyone would be doing it. You have to embrace the solitude of greatness. Pause. The difference between a dreamer and a doer is action. You have to be obsessed. You have to be willing to lose people, sleep, and comfort to gain a life that others can only see on a screen. Every challenge you face is just a test to see if you are worthy of the crown. Never settle for good enough when legendary is within your reach. Your character is forged in the fires of your daily discipline. Pause. But the journey doesn't end at the driveway or the front door. True luxury is about the horizons you explore. Imagine standing on the deck of a 200-foot super yacht, the Mediterranean breeze on your face, and nothing but the deep blue sea ahead. This isn't just a vacation. It's a victory lap. When you own the time, you own the world. Whether it's a private island in the Maldives or a hidden estate in the Swiss Alps, these experiences are the dividends of your discipline. You aren't just traveling. You are claiming your place in the world's most exclusive circles. Pause. And let's talk about the sky. There is a specific kind of silence that only exists at 40,000 feet inside a private cabin. No lines, no waiting, no distractions. Just you, your thoughts, and the next big move. Time is the only currency the wealthy cannot print more of, which is why we spend it so carefully. Every flight is a bridge between who you are and who you are becoming. While the rest of the world is stuck in the noise, you are gliding above it in absolute serenity. Pause. However, we must address the truth that most people ignore. The price of this life is high. The world sees the highlight reel, the watches, the cars, the mansions, but they never see the cutting room floor. They don't see the years of isolation. They don't see the failures that would have broken an average person. To get what the 1% has, you must be willing to do what the 99% won't. It means saying no to temporary pleasures for permanent power. It means being misunderstood by everyone around you until your results finally speak for themselves. Pause. Luxury is also found in the finest details. It's the weight of a handcrafted mechanical watch on your wrist. 1,000 tiny parts working in perfect harmony, just like your business empire. It's the texture of Italian leather, the scent of rare wood in your study, and the silence of a perfectly insulated room. These details aren't for others to notice. They are for you to appreciate. They are reminders that you refuse to settle for anything less than perfection. Pause. Now ask yourself, what is your why?